I've been here most of my life, apart from being away a few years here and there, as we all do when we're young, and then we seem to gravitate back to where the nest where we're born. Born in Grimsay, quite a long time ago now. I'm no longer a youngster, so I've been quite happy. There was always something here that made me want to stay. Probably it was to do with the sea. Well, I began fishing quite early age as a boy, along with my father, going out to do line fishing and other types of fishing, creel fishing as well, but just as an observer more than an active participant. I was too young then. But once I began going out to the islands on the west side of North Hughes, the Heiskir Islands, or the Monarch Isles as some people know them, that was as to earn a living more than for pastime, or we're catching lobsters. You also caught crabs, but there was no market for crabs. But crabs are a luxury in themselves, and we used to just have plenty of crab meals with, or maybe, especially if we had visitors. We used to get plenty of visitors there in the summertime. Well, because of Grimsay association with fishing and boats, we had an American lady who came to live in Grimsay, bought a house there, and she established this Grimsay Boat Day. And this has been going on now for quite a number of years. So it's quite something to look forward to every year. It brings people into those people who come to visit us. It's always something extra for them to see, and see that the young people have an interest in that sort of craft, to keep the old traditional crafts still on the move. I was out there actually today and saw the two latest boats these young boys have built. They're great. So they'll be part of the rowing competition this year. They're still there waiting to be painted, but they're all finished. They're small, they're clinker built. They're about, I would say, 10 feet maybe. This is just an estimate, and they're quite rounded builds, they're quite stable. They're not narrow boats, and they're just nice they'd be nice on inshore sheltered bays.